Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely looking at this as the end of a wave 3 on the monthly. If it is the end of a wave 3, which I think it is, then we are very likely due for a very corrective overlapping pattern, which will probably take us down to at least a 50% Fibonacci, right around the 178.5 area for a wave 4, potentially before it goes back up and makes a wave 5. Keep in mind that this wave 4 is on the monthly time frame and potentially could take 8 months or longer to play out. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still think there's a chance that we are in a wave A, and I still think there's a chance that we are going to make at least one more attempt on the downtrend before we actually go up and make a wave B, and then potentially back down for a wave C like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame definitely very impulsive up. I mean, it still potentially could be like a wave A or something. Most of the other yen pairs not really as impulsive, so obviously the pound is definitely still very strong. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if it went up and made like a double top or something, but I do think it is eventually going to make another attempt on this downtrend, and potentially this is still all part of a wave A. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I was kind of hoping this right here was the end of a correction. Most other yen pairs, it does look like the end of a correction, so I'm still kind of sticking to the idea that this could be like a wave 1 and this could be like a wave 2. Potentially it could go up and take out these highs, but I think there's a good chance that it is still going to go down and make another attempt on this downtrend, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. And like I said, probably all still part of this big wave A of wave 4 on the very high time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. I think this is likely a wave A, there's probably likely a wave B, and we're probably in that wave C already. So if we do get a bounce off one of these two fib levels, especially if you get that double top breaker structure look, then that definitely would be the short entry that I'm waiting for to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. Now on the other hand, if it does go up and break this 100% level, this high right here, then that definitely would turn me into a buyer on pullbacks. But for now, I'm definitely still trading with the trend, which is definitely still short at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.